Hey, good morning. This is Kevin Bees, and I just wanted to share with you today another law regarding the psychology of influence and persuasion. And this is the law of association. Law of association is so powerful because if we can begin to associate ourselves, our products, our service to something else that someone likes, another organization, another individual, it can help us be more liked, help us be more attractive. The trust will potentially transfer. And so let me share with you a few examples of what I mean by this. First one I have to ask you about is what does George Clooney have to do with Nespresso coffee? What does the guy really have to do with coffee? But it doesn't really matter. The Nespresso associate their brand with George Clooney, and then their ideal clients think, George Clooney uses this product or service. I want this product or service. Okay. There's a really great example I saw recently. The Beats headphones, the Beats by Dr. Dre. Well, they were very clever at doing this. In the Olympics, in the opening ceremony, the teams are just allowed to wear their Olympic outfit, their Olympic gear. That's all they're allowed to wear. But they very cleverly sent to each of the athletes some Beats headphones in their team colors. So what happened as they walked into the opening ceremony of the Olympics, many of these athletes were wearing these Beats headphones. Okay, now what about that for brand association? Some of the top athletes in the world wearing your product or service. Do you think that makes you more interesting to the market or less? Definitely more interesting. Now, we don't necessarily have the funds to go out and get a George Clooney, or we don't have the ability to go and give products to all the Olympic athletes. But how can we do this within your business? What are the associations? Who would be really great to be associated with your brand or products? Now, I think about this. There could be other businesses in your area who already have your ideal clients or the credibility with you. So we could potentially even go onto Instagram and find somebody who has a good following who would be great to be associated with your product or service. I've had clients who have had, say, physical products like clothing, etc., and then they've managed to get them into the hands of a celebrity who would then wear them and take a picture of them on Instagram. I've had another client who was doing very well on Instagram. She had something like 40,000 followers, and she would regularly get people pay her to talk about their product or service. Okay, now, of course, only if she felt that they were in alignment. So key question is who are the brands or products or services that would be great for you to be associated with? Another colleague of mine she was on the podcast, the Life Changing Questions podcast episode we did together. She did this very well. She wanted to sell her product or service to speakers. And so then she sponsored part of the speaking event, the national convention. Now, because of her sponsorship, more people knew who she was and what she was about, and she got more business from that. So maybe sponsorship could be a great way to go to have the association. I've had other clients who have been associated with charitable events. They've gone along and they've worked with a charitable organization, or they paid a charity. They've supported a charity in some way. They've done a beach cleanup, or they helped out with the charity. They built something. And of course, then their name, their brand was associated with that charity as well. So the idea behind this then, in summary, is the law of association. People will like things that are associated with brands or people that they already like. So the question for you to think about is, who do you potentially have in your network, or what organizations you have in your network that you can make an association with that will help your potential customers or prospects perceive you in a higher light or have more trust for you. Okay, that's enough for today. I think I've definitely done my 2 minutes, maybe even closer to 4 minutes. So have yourself a fantastic week and even day. I'll be back here tomorrow anyway, so I'll catch you tomorrow, and we'll pick up on something else. I think we've covered off 8 laws of psychology and influence today. That's been in the last week. That's been super powerful, and we'll change it up and find something else that's going to be of value to you that you can immediately apply to your business. So have yourself a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow.